It's an alien. So this is the automatic ball machine, pickleball machine.
Our first day is here.
You can actually rent this out by the hour if you so desire. I'm not sure if it also handles tennis balls. So it looks like the automatic ball machine is controlled by your cell phone. It's an app, I guess. I guess it's Bluetooth. Oh. No body shots now, Andy. The machine is not for your own body shots.
So you need to prepare after the ball bounces. That's not a speed. Let me check out. Check first. Because we're focusing on the target of your drive.
Good afternoon, Kalifers. The Iloilo Pickleball Expats are currently here at Robinson's Harrow to try out the new automatic ball machine. It looks like it's being controlled by an app on your cell phone. This is Rogelio. So he controls the different levels of the ball thrower. So this machine is available to rent if you're interested. You can rent it by the hour. And I think the initial rental rate is 200 pesos per hour. But for Iloilo Pickleball Club members, they have a discounted rate. Rogelio is also available for a private training, one-on-one training if you so desire. He charges 500 pesos per hour. He also has pickleball paddles to rent out to those that don't have a paddle yet. And I believe that's about 50 pesos to rent a paddle. He provides the balls, as you can see. So So pickleball is really a fast-growing sport here in Iloilo. If you Google pickleball here in Iloilo, most likely the Iloilo Pickleball Club would be the first one that pops up. So we have a few pickleball courts here in Iloilo City. There's 4 courts in Festive Walk Mall, 3rd floor, next to the chapel. The second location is at Vista Mall, 2nd floor. Across from the, it's on the 2nd floor. There's 2 pickleball courts there, indoor as well. The third one is where we at right now, which is a temporary agreement. So this is not permanent because, as you can see, it's set up at the 3rd floor garage. So the management of Robinson's Harrow has agreed to set up pickleball, two pickleball courts here in Harrow for the month of September. So I believe tomorrow is the last day, and then they all pack up. You can do it, Laurie. How is it, Andy?
Very good, Mary.
How is it, Laurie?
Well.
You can do it, Laura.
Nice one. That's it.
So you can see Rogelio controls the machine with an app on his cell phone.
Pwede na yung manual. Malagay-dugay guys.
So just to let you know, the initial rental rate of the pickleball at 200 pesos does not include picking up the balls. So if you want that to be included, it will be a step up in the rates, which I believe is, I'm not sure if it's 300 pesos or 400 pesos to include a coach and for them to pick up the balls for you as well. Because as you can see, I hate picking up balls. If I can pay somebody to pick it up, I will pay them to pick up my balls. We're gonna take a break here. We're gonna check out the other court and see their plays. So these are IPC members. And I believe a couple of them will also be joining the tournament in Bacolod. I believe last year the champion for that last year is obviously from IPC. So we'll see if we can retain the crown.
pretty good, Mary.
But how is it, Andy?
Oh my God. Yeah, it's what? Just running around. It's excellent practice. And hitting the forehand and the backhand.
Oh.
Thank you.
Body shot, Rogelio. Make me happy. Oh yes. Body shot, Rogelio. I think Rogelio's gonna get his own body shot. He's right in front of it.
Ready?
Okay, Rogelio's taunting you. Hit him. Hit Rogelio. Not me. Should I move?
Very good, outside.
Pwede slice, pwede kill. Depende sa bola. Para matangay yung bola. Ready? Yeah,
Hit him, not me.
Forward. No. Forward. Nice one. Next, outside. Nice, next. Nice. Football. Check your football. Position.
I got that on video. Jarby, I got that on video.
I got it on you.